Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring both your smart TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi. This avoids connection mismatches. Once connected, open the YouTube app on the TV and navigate to Settings, then link with TV code or the sign-in option so the TV displays a short numeric code. Now, on your phone or computer, open the YouTube pairing page or the mobile app's cast/link section and prepare to enter that code. This step creates the authentication bridge between devices. Next, type the exact numeric code shown on your TV into the pairing field on your device. Be quick, because codes often expire after a few minutes. Make sure you sign into the Google account you intend to use on the TV so subscriptions and history sync correctly. Once you submit the code, grant any permission prompts that appear. They let YouTube control playback on the TV. After authorization, check the device name on screen so you can recognize it when casting later. Finally, test the link by casting a short video from your device to the TV. You should be able to play, pause, and control volume from your phone or laptop. If playback doesn't start, restart the YouTube app, reboot the TV and router to clear network hiccups, then request a new TV code and try again. Make sure both YouTube apps are updated and that you're signed into the same Google account. If problems persist, remove linked devices in account settings and repeat the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.